Hey, how are you? My name is Jonathan. I am with Rene Munoz Plastering, and today we're in beautiful Westchester, PA. Today I was driving by this project that we completed about 4 seasons ago, and I actually found the homeowner. She was doing some landscape work over there, and she was mentioning that she loves the front of her house, and we also love it. I mean, it's been 4 years, and you can tell that the front of the house, it looks beautiful. It's 50-50, I will say, or maybe 80-20. You know, 70-30, whatever you want to say it. But I think it's important that when the customers take care of the property, you can actually tell. Is some part of the stucco or the maintenance is on the customer, and the installation is on us. So yeah, you can tell right now that the homeowner just came out. Hey, how are you? How you been?
I remember you.
Yeah. Thank you. Same thing. How you liking it? I was recording a video because I was driving by.
Yeah.
And I noticed that your wife was doing the landscape and everything.
Yep.
And that's what I'm mentioning. You know, part of this is also some percentage us that we do the
Right.
installation.
Yep.
And
some-
most of the percentage
some
you
us and
use a
some-
homeowner.
and
Yeah.
some porter on the siding. I
Yeah.
mean, it all goes together. You know, so-
Everything it ties in together perfectly. You know.
Yep.
Like the stone, the colors, the siding, everything.
Yep.
It looks beautiful.
I think it looks good.
Yeah. Congratulations.
I didn't mean to walk into the
No,
middle of
don't worry.
your video.
No. Actually, it's fine. Thank you so much. So I'm just gonna finish it and then.
Go for it.
Okay,
That's
thank you.
fine.
So yeah, you can tell right here that we did the mix of burgundy colors and browns, and also the mix with the ASAC and everything. So everything ties in perfectly on this project. I think it works perfect, and it looks lovely. So yeah, this has been Jonathan with Rene Munoz Plastering. If you have any stucco issues, any stone issues, any siding issues, feel free to call us to 610-656-2461 or log on to our website at www.munozplastering.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.